Now before we dive in, if you find my videos useful, make sure to click that subscribe button and also make sure to click that bell icon on the side to get notified every time I upload a new video. And of course, if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, make sure to follow me on all at SAKITECH Online, also for the latest updates. Alright, let's dive in. Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video, I'm going to be talking about the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. Now, I do want you guys to look at the title very carefully. It says, do not buy the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. It does not say not to buy the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, which is a larger model. That's the model you do want to buy. And of course, if you're in the market and you're shopping for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10, the smaller model, I'm going to advise you guys not to buy it. And in this video, I'll tell you exactly why. Now, real quick, here's a poll that I did on which one you guys would like to buy, the Note 10, the Note 10 Plus, or the Note 10 Plus 5G. So far, 16,000 people have voted, and as you can see, only 7% of the 16,000 people that voted in this poll will get the smaller Note 10 model. And of course, this video is mostly directed to that smaller 7% number. 69% will buy the Note 10 Plus and 24% will buy the Note 10 Plus 5G. So we have a 93% total lean towards the larger Note 10 Plus model, but some people still might get the smaller Note 10. So let's watch the video on why you should not do that. Now, first and foremost, obviously between the Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus, there's a price difference of $150. And of course, in my opinion, that price difference should have been $350. So I think the Note 10 would have been a viable purchase at $750, not the $950 that is selling right now. That is an extremely high price tag for a smartphone I don't consider premium. Now again, let's be very clear here. The Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus is the premium smartphone, but the Note 10 is a dumbed down version of it. It is $950, and here's the problem with that price. You're not even getting a Quad HD Plus screen resolution. What you're getting is a 1080p screen. Now over here, I have a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. This has a Quad HD Plus resolution, and this phone can be purchased on Amazon right now for $650 to $750. So in fact, it is a better purchase than the Note 10 that is $950, and that is supposed to be above this product, but it's not. S10 Plus would be a better option over the Note 10. The other thing that the Note 10 doesn't have that the Note 10 Plus has is the micro SD expansion option. So it doesn't have that, and it's still $950. And of course, that's not everything. The screen itself should be a huge red flag. But we have other things, such as the base RAM capability on the Note 10 is 8 gigabytes of RAM, but the base RAM capacity on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus is in fact 12 gigabytes. And also the Note 10 Plus you can get at a 256 gigabyte storage option or 512 gigabyte storage option. When you get the smaller Samsung Galaxy Note 10, the only storage option that you have is 256 gigabytes, and that's it. On top of that, you cannot expand that storage because there's no micro SD expansion option. So again, the Note 10 might be a good phone, but for $950, that price is way too high for me to recommend that you guys buy that. And of course, there's a couple other things that we do have to mention. It is also lacking the 3D depth camera that you find on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and it has a smaller battery, and it does not support the 45 watt super fast charging option that's available on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. It also has slower wireless charging and also slower wireless power share charging option. So with all these downgrades, why is it only $150 cheaper? Doesn't make any sense. So again, if you're in the market and you're shopping for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 or the Note 10 Plus, make sure that you choose the Note 10 Plus. And if you are attracted to the $950 price tag because it is lower, you might be better off. In fact, I recommend that you buy the S10 Plus instead. This is going to be $650, $750, and it's going to have the micro SD expansion, it's going to have the headphone jack, it's going to have a higher quality screen than the actual Note 10 that came after it. So this would be a better option if you're in that price range. So be very careful when you're shopping for the Note 10, guys. You're losing a lot of options for a $150 reduction in price. So this was just a quick video to make sure that you guys understand what's happening on that end. The Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus is the true successor to the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. As a matter of fact, even the Note 9 and the Note 8 have a higher resolution display than the Note 10. The quality of the display on the Note 10 might be a little bit better, but the sharpness is lower. That's a problem, and it's only a problem because of the price tag. It's $950. If it was $750, even $800, I could recommend it, but at this price point, almost $1,000, it's a no-go. So let me know down below what you are gonna do, what you did do, and of course you do have the option to reverse if you made that mistake of buying the Note 10. Even though if you're personally satisfied, I'm not gonna beat you on it, but I'm just giving you my professional opinion here that which one is a better choice based on price and feature set. Anyway, drop those comments down below. Let me know what you did. And for now, guys, have a fantastic day. Stay tuned for more videos to come. Alright, so if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH by clicking that button, and also click that bell icon on the side to make sure you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, you can follow me at SAKITECH Online to get the latest updates as well. Alright, have a fantastic day.